my nose. Where is it?
I'll get it! Yes!
Thank you.
You see?
Wait, I'm getting a clue.
Toothbrush.
Oh, salam.
Are you okay, Mr. Noodle? Oh, you okay? Good. Oh. Oh, Mr. Noodle? Dorothy! Hi, Mr. Noodle. Uh-oh. Mr. Noodle has a sneeze in his nose. Oh. Gazan.
Or sneeze.
Dina! Tay! I'm sorry I'm late. I'm here to help you explain the word allergic. Hey, what's wrong with him?
Oh, he's allergic to dogs.
Okay.
Sorry.
Not a problem. I'll send someone else to help.
Oh, God bless you, honey. Here.
All right, thank you. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you.
Snurred when you sneeze. And go around spreading disease.
He went.
Where is Natasha?
3. Gesundheit. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, there's nothing like a good sneeze.
We're so glad you're here. What's going on over here? Oh, I don't know. What are you doing?
Oh, just a little spring dusting.
Spring dusting.
Yeah, it's hard to keep these grouch treasures nice and dusty, so every year I sprinkle on more dust.